Everybody, we're here in Mira Aesthetics. I have one of our patients who's a little bit of 1 week out from her surgery. Can you go ahead and tell us what kind of surgery it is that you had done?
Hi, I had an implant extraction along with a breast augmentation.
And then can you go ahead and let us know, was it saline or silicone that you transitioned from?
I stayed with silicone. So I had silicone prior and I got silicone again. I just got it over the muscle.
Perfect. And then what size did you end up going with this time?
400 cc's.
Awesome. And how happy are you with the removal and replacement now that you're about 10 days out?
I am very happy. Everything has been really easy.
And go ahead and tell us a little bit about like your recovery from the day of your surgery up until now.
The first 2 days were a little rough, but not so much because of the pain. I just had a headache and I have kids. But other than that, everything's been going really smooth. It feels fine. It doesn't even feel like it's been 10 days. It feels like I got it done like months ago.
And that is so awesome to hear. And then how would you recommend our clinic to like family or friends, for anybody who's looking to do a procedure similar to what you just did?
I 100% recommend the clinic. I feel the staff is so friendly. The doctor was amazing. I have already told so many people that whatever they want work done, they should come here because it's 10 out of 10.
Perfect. So stay tuned with us. She will be back with us in about 5 weeks to come take her after pictures, and then we'll see how she's doing with her recovery then.